Are you ready to explore the sea? Let's meet some amazing ocean creatures. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphin loves to play and jump high above the waves. It talks to its friends using funny squeaks and clicks. Dolphins are super smart and always look like they're smiling. Octopus.
Octopus.
Octopus has 8 wiggly arms that help it move and grab things. It can change colors to hide from bigger fish. When scared, it squirts dark ink and zooms away fast. The whale.
Whale.
Whale is the biggest animal in the whole ocean. It sings beautiful songs that can travel very far underwater. Even though it lives in the sea, it needs to come up to breathe air. Shark.
Shark.
Shark has super sharp teeth that grow back when one falls out. It can smell tiny drops of blood from far away. Sharks have been swimming in the ocean for millions of years. Starfish.
Starfish.
Starfish isn't really a fish. It has no bones at all. It can grow back an arm if one gets hurt. Starfish like to crawl slowly across rocks and coral looking for yummy snacks. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle has a hard shell that keeps it safe while it swims. It can hold its breath for a long time underwater. Baby sea turtles race to the ocean the moment they hatch. Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin looks like a tiny, round ball full of pokey spines. It uses its little feet to crawl along the sand. Fish know not to mess with it because it's super spiky. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish is soft and squishy like a wobbly balloon. It floats gently with the ocean waves. Even though it has no brain, it glows beautifully in the dark sea. Crab.
Crab.
Crab walks sideways with its strong claws clicking around. It loves to dig holes in the sand to hide. Crabs wear hard shells like armor to protect their soft bodies. Clownfish.
Clownfish.
Clownfish lives inside a squishy sea anemone home. Its bright orange color makes it easy to spot in the coral reef. Clownfish families work together to keep their homes clean. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Seahorse is shaped like a tiny horse that swims upright. The daddy seahorse carries the babies in his tummy pouch. It holds on to sea plants with its curly tail when the water gets wavy. Manatee.
Manatee.
Manatee is a big, gentle sea cow that loves munching on sea grass. It moves slowly and likes to float in warm waters. Manatees are friendly giants that enjoy getting belly rubs from the waves. Walrus.
Walrus.
Walrus has long tusks and a big round body to keep it warm. It loves to nap on ice and splash around with friends. Walruses use their tusks to climb out of the cold water. Sea lion.
Sea lion.
Sea lion loves to clap its flippers and bark loudly like a puppy. It's super playful and can swim really fast. Sea lions love sunbathing on rocks after swimming all day. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp is tiny but full of energy. It uses its see-through body to hide from bigger fish. Shrimp help keep the ocean clean by eating little bits of food on the sea floor. Seal.
Seal.
Seal has big shiny eyes and smooth skin for swimming fast. It loves sliding on ice and playing in the waves. Seals can hold their breath for a long time when diving for fish. Penguin.
Penguin.
Penguin can't fly, but it zooms through water like a rocket. It wears a tuxedo-looking coat that keeps it warm. Penguins take turns keeping their eggs safe on their feet. Murray eel.
Murray eel.
Murray eel hides in coral caves with just its head poking out. It opens and closes its mouth to help it breathe. When it swims, it wiggles like a long ribbon in the sea. Lobster.
Lobster.
Lobster has big claws that can crack open shells. It walks slowly on the seafloor like a tiny underwater tank. When scared, it flips its tail fast to swim backward. Squid.
Squid.
Squid has 10 arms and loves to zoom through the ocean at night. It can change colors to blend in or glow in the dark. Squid squirt in clouds to confuse anyone chasing them. Angelfish.
Angelfish.
Angelfish has shiny fins that sparkle like a rainbow in the sun. It glides gently through coral reefs like a little dancer. Angelfish love to stay close to colorful rocks and sea plants. Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish is a tiny fish that can puff up like a balloon when it feels scared. It fills its tummy with water or air to look big and safe. Even though it's small, its spiky body helps keep it out of trouble in the ocean. Orca.
Orca.
Orca is a black and white whale that loves to play with its family. It's super smart and talks in clicks and whistles. Orcas are also called killer whales, but they're really friendly to people. Beluga whale.
Beluga whale.
Beluga whale is white like snow and has a big round forehead. It loves to sing and make funny squeaky sounds. Belugas live in icy waters and always look like they're smiling. Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish can change colors faster than a blinking light. It has special skin that helps it hide anywhere in the ocean. Cuttlefish use their arms to grab food floating by. Whale shark.
Whale shark.
Whale shark is the biggest fish in the sea, but super gentle. It loves to eat tiny plankton instead of other fish. Whale sharks swim slowly with their mouths wide open like big vacuums. Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark has a flat head shaped just like a hammer. It helps the shark see all around while hunting. Hammerheads like to swim in groups called schools. Sea snake.
Sea snake.
Sea snake wiggles smoothly through the water like a ribbon. It can hold its breath for a really long time. Even though it's a snake, it loves living in warm ocean waters. Stingray.
Stingray.
Stingray looks like it's flying underwater with its big flat fins. It hides under the sand when it wants to rest. Stingrays use their tails to protect themselves if they get scared. Manta ray.
Manta ray.
Manta ray glides gracefully through the ocean like a giant kite. It has a happy face and loves to flip and spin in the waves. Manta rays eat tiny food floating in the water as they swim. Lionfish.
Lionfish.
Lionfish has beautiful stripes and spiky fins that look like a lion's mane. It moves slowly, showing off its fancy colors. But careful, those pretty spikes can sting if you get too close. Dugong.
Dugong.
Dugong is a gentle sea cow that loves to munch on seagrass all day. It has a round nose that looks like it's always smiling. Dugongs are peaceful and move slowly in warm waters. Blue tang.
Blue tang.
Blue tang shines bright blue like the ocean sky. It loves to swim with friends and hide in coral. Blue tangs are quick and playful, always darting through the reef. Yellow tang.
Yellow tang.
Yellow tang glows like a little sun under the water. It helps clean other fish by nibbling away tiny bits on their skin. Yellow tangs are happy reef helpers that zoom around all day. Flying fish.
Flying fish.
Flying fish can leap out of the water and glide through the air. It uses its long fins like wings. Flying fish jump to escape from hungry predators below. Emperor angelfish.
Emperor angelfish.
Emperor angelfish wears bold blue and yellow stripes like royal clothes. It swims proudly through the coral like a king. Emperor angelfish love to guard their favorite reef spots. Grouper.
Grouper.
Grouper has a big mouth that opens super wide to catch fish. It likes to rest near rocks and coral caves. Groupers are calm giants that watch the ocean quietly. Flounder.
Flounder.
Flounder lies flat on the seafloor and hides in the sand. Both of its eyes are on one side of its head, so silly. Flounders are amazing at staying hidden from everyone. Gurnard.
Gurnard.
Gurnard walks along the ocean floor using its fins-like legs. It can make funny drumming sounds with its body. Gurnards have bright wings that open when they want to show off.
Thanks for diving into the world of sea animals with us today. See you again tomorrow for more ocean fun.